Hey, what's up internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and in today's little video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with KDP coloring books and masking. Now, you don't need any design skills, tech skills, or very much time to do this, but I just wanted to show you how you could make money online without a website, without affiliate marketing, without a complex traffic method, without email marketing. Very simple, very relatively fast in my opinion. Okay, also make sure to like and subscribe to get more videos, tutorials, and case studies just like this one. And you're gonna wanna watch this until the very end to get my free KDP Create and Earn method. My resources and tools, all the tools and resources I'll be using on this tutorial are free. And also you're gonna find out how I can create these types of color books and puzzle books relatively fast. I'm gonna put coloring book here. Okay, so let's begin. Again, make sure you check out my free KDP Create and Earn course. I show you how to find hot niches for free within the KDP network, how to create your cover books nice and easily. I show you how to create mandalas for free. I show you how to create mazes without any tech skills, design skills. I show you how to create Sudoku. I show you how to create word search puzzles, and I also show you how to upload your book, your product to the KDP network, how to price it, how to do on-page SEO, and ultimately how to sell online. Okay, so get that down below. Okay, now let's begin. So here I have a cool little niche, pumpkin coloring books for kids. Okay, again, if you want to learn how to find niches for free, by all means check out my link below. And as you can see, it has only 1,000 results, which is a good sign. And if I fire up my Book Bolt tool, again, this is a paid tool, and if you want more information about Book Bolt, you can check out the information below. But it says here it has an Amazon search value, a monthly search volume of 577 searches a month. Okay, which is a good indicator that people are looking for this. And as you can see, there's only 1,000 results, which is always good news. Okay, so what do we do now? Well, first thing you want to do is find your masks, your black silhouettes. Okay, so we're gonna do a pumpkin, like we saw here, a pumpkin coloring book for kids. So I need some public domain silhouettes. So I'm gonna go to Pixabay, okay, where you get public domain images, and I'm gonna put in pumpkin. Okay, but I'm not done there. You want to check this out. Okay, now if you use a different public domain site for images, let me know down below in the comments. I'm always interested. I'm always learning new stuff. You want to go to color, you want to click transparent, and you want to click black and white. You want to click go. Okay, you're gonna filter out the things you don't want. So here's one. The problem with this is it looks like an apple. It doesn't really look like a pumpkin. Okay, so I ended up using this one here. Okay, these 3 different pumpkins. I downloaded it for free, and I'm gonna show you how to use that. Okay, but first thing we need to do, now that we have our black mask here, we need to create our mandalas. Okay, or a coloring, something that our end user, our customer, can color within the coloring book for our pumpkin book. Okay, so again, if you want to learn how to create mandalas for free without any tech skills, make sure you check out this tutorial down below. Okay, so for this example, I'm gonna use Activity Book Mastery because it's a very fast way to do it. I'm gonna go to Kaleidoscope. I already got some images here. I'm gonna use this little cat image. I'm gonna click go, and I can create a mandala very quickly here. I'm gonna go with, let me see. I'm gonna go with this one here. I'm gonna save image as. Okay, this is going to download to my site. So I have my mandala set. Okay, next thing you wanna do is go to Gimp. Again, Gimp is this is a free tool. It's like Photoshop, but 100% free. The word is open source. Yeah, it's open source. So you want to download that, okay, and you want to open that up. Once you got that open up, you want to go find that pumpkin that you downloaded. Okay, you got 3 of them here. Give me a second, my computer's loading up. I got a lot of images and stuff, so I gotta clear out some things that I've used before. Okay, so I'm gonna drop my pumpkin in here. Okay, this is this is the bulk of this method is right here, the masking, okay? And as you can see, I have my layers opened up here. I'm also gonna drop this little mandala I created a little bit ago, okay? So I have my mandala and I have my pumpkin. This layer section here, if you don't see it on Gimp, you wanna go to Windows, you wanna click the dockable dialogues, and you wanna click on layers, and this should show up, okay? Sometimes it doesn't show up automatically. If not, you know what to do now, okay? So you wanna click on the mask here for the pumpkin, and you want to move it on up, okay? And you want the mandala to be behind it, okay? Next thing you want to do, the mandala is pretty small here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to scale. I'm going to click on it, right click on it, and I'm going to go to scale layer, and I'm going to blow it up to maybe 1900, like that. Okay, so it's nice and big, beautiful. And now I'm going to right click on the pumpkin, really important. You want to go to add layer mask, click on that. You have many options here. What you want to do is click on transfer layer alpha channel and invert mask, only two little options, and then click add. Boom, look what we got here, okay? We're not done, okay? By the way, if you have a better way of doing this, let me know in the comment section. I'm always interested, okay? So I'm going to go to images here, click flatten image, okay? Now it's one image now, okay? As you can see here in the layer section, if you can see that, it's all the images are gone to just one image here, okay? So what are we doing now? We're gonna go to this little tool called fuzzy select. So we're gonna click this black section here with fuzzy select. We're not done. We're gonna go to layers, okay? We're gonna go to transparency. We're gonna click add alpha channel. Now we're gonna just hit delete, okay? Do it again, hit delete, done. Okay, now we have this pumpkin and a mandala as a background. Now we're gonna save that, okay? Export as, and I'm gonna name this P4, why not? P4, okay, export that. We're done with that part, okay? Now I'm gonna go to a tool called Canva, okay? Now Canva, in this section, this particular dimension for this book, I'm gonna have it 8.5 inches by 11 inches, okay? As you can see, you already have some examples done right here, okay? Ideally, you want 50, at least 50 when it comes to a coloring book, okay? 50 of these, okay? So what we just did 50 times, okay? Now, we're gonna use the black silhouette of our pumpkin, okay? But first I wanna add that pumpkin I just created with you, okay? So I'm gonna put that pumpkin in here, okay? Now, here's the black silhouette, okay? I need this so I can create like a background, right? So it can pop. You also want to adhere to the pinkish purple boundaries that you get within Canva, okay? This will let you know where the bleed is, okay? So now that we have that center, we're gonna click on the pumpkin, okay? And we are going to play with it until we like the way it pops, okay? So like that. Very simple, very easy to do. We have our pumpkin, we have a background, and we just do 50 of these, and we have a pumpkin coloring book for kids. Now let me know if you have any questions. I know I got a little bit, just a little touch technical towards the middle with Gimp, but if you follow along, you'll find that it's really easy to do, okay? I was just going extremely slow so that you can follow along, okay? But it's once you get the hang of it, it's simple to do, okay? So once again, I'm using Canva, only the free option. I'm using Gimp, again, the free option. As for creating mandalas and such, I use Activity Book Mastery because it's very simple. As you can see, I can create a ton really fast. But if you want a free way, make sure you check out the link below, and also show you a way to find keywords, okay? If not, if you want to do it the fast way like I did, I use BookBolt. I I have information about that down below. Okay, you have a wonderful day. Take care and let me know what you think. Be good. Bye.